Hi everyone, welcome to BISP solution. My name is Shubham Timbre. So in today's session, we are performing operation for serial tracked work order operation and production transaction with inspection. Okay, so if you have the role of production operator and the required privileges of inspection, you can use inspection plan already set up for particular work order to perform inspection. You can inspect the operation based on certain inspection criteria only after you inspect the operation. Okay, so this inspection result help drive whether the quantity in the operation is completed or rejected or optionally scrapped. Okay, so integration of Oracle manufacturing with Oracle quality management helps you to interact at an operation and accordingly accept and reject the inspected transaction. Action limit set up in the inspection plan can decide whether the serial or quantity of an operation can be accepted or rejected. Okay, so an inspection plan can be associated with an item or item category that's being manufactured in your organization. Okay, so inspection can be performed at an intermediate operation for the sub assemblies or at the final operation for the finished product. Okay, so now let's go to our instance and perform serial tracked work order operation. Okay. Okay, so for that, first we have to create an work order. Just click on navigator, scroll it down, just click on the work execution task. Okay, so first we have to select our manufacturing organization, that is 002. Okay, now click on task list, just click on the manage work orders, click on the create icon. Okay, just click on the show more icon. Here we have to select our item. So let's say our item that is is 475.200. Just click on the search icon. Okay, so here is our item, that is tablet. Okay, now you have to specify the quantities for how much quantities you are creating the work order. Okay, so let's say we are creating the work order for 20 quantities. Okay, if you want to change the status, you can change it from here. Okay, so let's say status that is released. Okay, the work definition that is main. Okay, yeah, all the details. Just click on save and edit. Okay, we are creating a work order for 20 quantities in our application. Okay, status released, work definition, all the details are over here. Okay, just click on the operation tab. We have 3 operation associated with that particular work order. Okay, for that particular tablet item. Okay, first one is tablet assembly, second is tablet testing, third tablet packing. Now just click on the serial number. Okay, if you want to generate here the serial number for 20 quantities, you can generate. Let's say we are generating our serial number for 10 quantities. Okay, or let's say 15 quantities. So we are generating the serial number for 15 quantities. Just click on the generate. So in this way, you can generate your serial number here, associate quantity that is 15 and open quantities that is remaining for the serial number generation that is 5. Okay, so for 15 quantities, we have generated the serial number as you seen over here. For 15 quantities, serial number is generated. Okay, just click on the save. As we click on save, your serial number 15 serial number are generated for that particular work order. Okay, now click on the general information. Here it contains all the details. Work method that is discrete manufacturing. Okay, work order that is 0021057. Okay, scroll down, just click on save and close. Okay, now click on done. Okay, click on the task list, review dispatch list, select the task name as review dispatch list. Okay, so here is our work order. In review dispatch list, here is our work order. It contains all the details like work centers, completion date, and all such details. Just expand the row. Okay, so here you can see your serial number. Okay, your 15 serial number. Okay, yeah, your total 15 serial numbers are over here. Okay, now for report material transaction, just click on the icon. Okay, so here you can select your report material transactions. Here we have to specify our component serial number. Okay, right now we don't have any component serial number. Okay, so first we have to select our sub inventory. Just expand the row and select our sub inventory from work in progress to stores. Expand the second row and select our sub inventory, that is store. Now select your component serial name. So let's say okay, now select for the changes. So transaction do you want to continue? Yeah, yes. Okay, just expand the rows, select your sub inventories, select your respective sub inventory, that is stores, and component serial number. Okay, let's say 2005, 9005. Okay, select. Okay, the another serial number, expand the rows, select your respective sub inventory, that is stores, component serial number, let's say 2006, and here 9006. Yeah, and let's select for another scan item serial. Okay, just click on the sub inventory, that is store, expand the other one, select your serial number, let's say 7, stores, and at the last. Yeah, so in this way you can select your component serial number. Okay, first we have to select our respective sub inventory, and then we have to select our component number. So in this way you can select your component number, serial numbers. Okay, just click on the save and close. Okay, so now after specifying our report material transaction, now we have to specify our report resources transaction. So for that, just click on the icon, manual reporting not required, under the report resources transaction. Okay, so just click on the create icon. Okay, here we have the resources like the LCD panel and also start. Yeah, LCD panel, assembly equipment. Select your resources, activity, resource instance. If you want to specify your resource instance, you can select. Okay, activity, that is setup, or you can select another activities. We have to change the to charge. Okay, as you fill all the details, your status, all data required for the transaction is entered. Okay, let's add another resource. Okay, so select on the resource, that is technician level 2. Okay, type, that is labor. Here LCD panel assembly equipment, that is the equipment, and the technician level 2, that is the labor. If you want to specify the particular labor, you can specify over here. like team brower, or okay, let's say team brower. Okay, if you want to add activity, that is setup. As we select two charts, here all data required for the transaction is entered. Okay, if you want to specify your particular equipment, you can specify over here. Let's say LCD01 the equipment. Now just click on the save and close. Resource transaction were reported for work order 00211057 operation 10. Okay, that is tablet assembly. Okay, now expand the row. If you want to send some items for complete, you can send it from here. Let's say if you want to send two serial items for complete, so for that select your two items. Okay, or if you want to add another item, just select the 5 item. Let's say we are sending 5 items from 20 quantities. We are sending 5 items to quick complete. Okay, so it's 1 2 3 25, that is, yeah, we select 5 items. Just click on the icon, that is quick complete. So you have completed the 5 quantities at operation 10 for work order, that particular work order 1057, and the next operation is operation 20 at work center tablet testing. Okay, so after defining 5 items at our tablet assembly, as we completed our assembly for particular 5 item, we are sent 5 items for the tablet testing. Okay, now expand the second row, work center, that is tablet testing. Okay, yeah, inspect and complete. Okay, so let's say select 3 items and just click on the select the 3 items and just click on the quick complete. Okay, so here for 3 items, all the details, it is pending inspection quantity, that is 3, unit of measure, that is 8, inspection percentage, that is 100, but it is still in pending. Okay, now select the AS 47511 Okay, so here we have to fill the result for that particular serial number. So let's say result for that particular serial number, let's say 259. Here is the inspection criteria, the specification limit. Okay, so our result is within the limit. If our result is exceed from that limit, then our item get rejected. Okay, let's say memory transfer rate, that is 669. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, you see one serial is accepted. Okay, but it is still in pending. Okay, now select the second one. Okay, here is the specification criteria, that is 257. Result, that is 257. Screen size, that is 257. It is between the range, under the range. Now second, that is memory transfer rate, let's say 679. Okay, so it exceed the limit. Okay, okay, so here inspection reading violated characteristic specification. Yeah, here the reject. Okay, so that particular serial number is rejected. Okay, now select the another serial number, let's say, okay, so one is in pending, one serial is accepted, and one is rejected. So let's say the result for that particular serial number, screen size is 256 mm. Okay, and memory transfer rate, let's say 666. Okay, so it's between the range. Okay, yeah, accepted, completed. Okay, results get completed. Inspection percent, that is 100%. Okay, okay, now just click on save and close. So inspect. So in this way you can perform your inspection in our application. Okay, so here if you want to send your reject item or reject serial number into scrap, we have an option. As we select just save and close, I just click on the save and close, we have an option to send that particular serial number for rejected to scrap. So let's say we are sending that particular serial for scrap. Just click on complete. So in this way you can send your item for scrap. You have completed the quantity 2 at operation 20 for work center. The next operation 30 is work center is tablet packing. Okay, so you scrapped one quantity at operation 20 for work center. Okay, so in this way you can perform the serial tracked work order operation and production transaction with inspection in Oracle Fusion, supply chain management, manufacturing application. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.